How to make a glue trap to catch camel crickets. Glue traps or sticky boards are effective in trapping camel crickets, flying insects and even mice. Making your own glue traps is inexpensive and works just as well as the commercial sticky boards to help get rid of any camel crickets. This insect has long legs that resemble spider legs and a humpbacked appearance. Camel crickets appear indoors during unusually rainy or hot, dry weather. They leave unsightly and unsanitary fecal smears and can damage clothing or other fabrics stored in boxes. Camel crickets are light brown or beige and have bands of darker colors on their bodies. Things you'll need: cardboard, scissors, corn syrup, cooking pot, large spoon, plastic knife, duct tape, wax paper or newspaper. Corn syrup method. Cut a piece of cardboard with scissors so that it is approximately 5 by 7 inches. Make 3 or 4 if the room is large or you have seen many of the insects. Pour equal parts of corn syrup and water into a small cooking pot. Stir the mixture over medium-high heat until it boils down and forms a thick, sticky paste. Spread the sticky mixture over one side of the cardboard with a plastic knife. Set the glue trap in corners, behind appliances and other places you have spotted the camel crickets. Inspect the traps daily and discard them once you capture any camel crickets. Duct tape method. Cut 3 or 4 pieces of cardboard with scissors so they are approximately 5 by 7 inches each. Wrap duct tape around the cardboard so that the sticky side is facing up. Pull the tape around to the back side of the cardboard and overlap it slightly to make it stick. Continue wrapping the tape around the cardboard until it covers the entire thing. Set the trap down on a sheet of wax paper or newspaper. This prevents the backside from sticking to the floor. Place the traps in corners and anywhere else you have seen camel crickets. Check the traps daily and discard them once you capture the insects. Make more traps if necessary. Tips. Warnings. Prevent camel crickets by sealing cracks and gaps in doors, windows and the foundation of your home with weather stripping or caulking. Keep the basement area and crawl spaces dry since the insects are attracted to moist, cool areas. Store the remaining corn syrup paste in a glass jar with a lid to use in the future. If the glue traps become dusty, they are not as sticky or effective. Replace them with new traps once this happens.